Anyways, Mom, I'm functioning. Okay, this page will walk you through the installation of everything. Okay, so I believe we have everything. We have OPAM. Oh, I guess I don't have the installing the compiler. I probably need the tool, right? OPAM. Okay, nice. Hey, found the channel a week ago. Changed my view on development. Keep it up to. Damn, I changed your view on development in a week. Let's go. By the way, for those that haven't subscribed to this channel, press the sub button. We are so close to 100,000. I don't know if you know this. If you go to youtube.com/the-prime-timeagen, okay? You go here. Look at this. We're at 95.5, okay? 95.5. So press that effing like button already. Okay, we're not even at 1,000 likes yet. All right, also hit the like button. Yeah, I think I'm supposed to do that. Oh my goodness, now TJ's calling me. Literally, TJ, right here. TJ, you're calling me on Signal. Why? And by the way, chat can hear you. No, chat can't hear you. It's actually terrible.
Yeah, I just called because it looked like you were taking phone calls, and I was wondering if you needed any help with OCaml.
Hold on. Can you say that again?
Yeah, it looked like you were taking phone calls, and I was just wondering if you needed any help with OCaml.
You know, I'm going to get started. That way you can actually help me when I need it. You know what I mean? Because,
Okay, that sounds good.
yeah, because you don't want to be here for this part. Oh, my goodness.
That's true.
Oh, gosh. Hold on. Yes, Warren buffering? Oh, hold on. You're not on speaker. What is it, Warren buffering?
Oh, I accidentally sat on my phone. Called you, I think. So.
You excited for OCaml?
Yeah. Yep. Gotta go though.
Okay.
Meeting.
Bye. Okay. Well, I mean, that's pretty fun. All right. Hey, we're back in it. Made you answer. Got him. Thank you, everybody. Okay, so we have the... Oh my goodness, I'm still getting messages. I'm not doing it. Okay, let's see. Using your distributions package. Okay, we don't care about any of this. FreeBSD, Mac OS. Okay, let's close this down. We don't need that. Okay. Installing on Unix. We got all these things. Binary distribution. Create the OPAM switch. We already did the init. Okay. Oh, wait. What is this? Okay. Okay, what is this? This step is necessary only if you wish to install a specific version of OCaml. Let's not do that. Let's just go with just the basics. Right now, installing on Windows. Ah! Okay, we don't need to do any of that. Okay. OCaml. Oh, we're getting some based tools, boys. Stream of nonstop phone calls, I know. Here comes my mom any moment now. The name, let's see, when you're about to hang up, you should say, the name is the prime. I will do that. Hey, thank you for the 20 rupees. Do I see a broken screen with the white pixel on display? Yeah, you do. I dropped my phone, and I'm too much of a cheap ass to replace it. I don't know if you guys are like that, but I'm one of those people where if that happens, like, I just refuse to actually, you know what I mean? Yeah. Whoa, is there like what is that sound? Oh, that was weird. Oh, look at that. If I put my mic just right, it does a vibration sound. But if I turn it right here, it's gone. Okay, we're back in, boys. Don't worry, most professional devs I know outside of Google use Mac OS. Oh, really? Sounds like most professional devs you know are a bunch of soy devs drinking coffee at a coffee shop while complaining on Twitter about systematic oppression. Okay? Phil's coffee. This coffee was $10 because it shows I care. Anyways, let's see. Okay, OCaml, blah, 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 blah. Top level, which can be called... that's just me. Don't worry. I don't actually think those things, except the things I do think. After the following instructions in respective previous sections for your operating system, OCaml is now installed in an OPAM switch. Among others, this provides the programs. A top level, which can be called with OCaml command. It consists read, evaluate. Okay, nice. Let's try a little OCaml. Can we do that? OCaml. Okay, so I can't do OCaml. So do I need to do the switch? I guess I need to do the switch, don't I? Okay. But I don't want to do that. Okay, so I don't need to do that. Let's see, check the installation, which OCaml. Okay, so, oh, look at this. Oh, I have to do this. Okay, so I need to create, like, something, right? So I need to go OPAM, I don't know, version. Like, how do you know, how do you know which one to do? Okay, so I guess OPAM, create this. There we go. Installing, we're going to do 14, that one. Okay, cool. So this is effectively like N or NVM if you've used it. This is actually pretty cool. So one thing I'm going to say right away that I'm really liking about OCaml is that at least the tools are under one thing. So OPAM reminds me of Cargo. Oh, you need to update Rust? Well, actually, no. Rust has you actually use Rust up to update Cargo, but you use Cargo to do the other things. So, okay, well, OPAM, on the other hand, at least you do everything through OPAM. I love that. I love that in a good tool. I have O5. Okay, I'm gonna F you. I don't need your bullshit. Give me OCaml 5. Give me Camel 5. I can't be being outdone by Ryan Winchester. Okay, they call me Primogen Remington. I'm setting it up alongside this OCaml madness. Let's see. You don't need the switch. Just run OPAM eval. Why would I do that? Oh, dude, Ryan Winchester. No one uses. Oh, dang it. How do I uninstall OPAM list? Okay, let's look at what we got here. All right, uninstall. Let's see. I gotta uninstall. I shouldn't have broken that because I caused problems. Oh, OPAM remove switch 4.14.0. Remove list of packages. Remove options packages. Okay. Arguments. Okay, so we got, let's see, auto remove. Remove. Is there like a force? No. Jobs. Package. How do I remove a version? Dry run. No, we don't need this. This is all like package management. You've taken so long to get started. I'm going to have to crack it myself. Yeah. That's this, dude. Have you? Is it this kind of switch? Nice switch. 4.14.0. Let's go. Nothing. Okay, come on. Okay. Remove all. OPAM remove all. All right, so is there some things I can remove? Okay. OPAM switch remove. OPAM switch remove 14.4.0. Oh, 4.14.0. There we go. Okay, yeah. There we go. I did it backwards. Okay. There we go. Let's start this again. 4.4. I know I got it. Shut up. Oh, Papanet. All right. I'm excited. I've never done anything with functional programming. I'm pretty pumped up about this. All right, so we already have the LSP tool really well with, yep, we already have that. ODoc to generate documentations. Okay, and Dune release to release code on the OPAM suppository. Nice. There's even, dude, OCaml's a lot further along than I thought it was. $5 a month. Like, it is actually a lot further along. Hey, Jan, I appreciate that. Like, I'm pretty shocked by this. Right? It's a lot further. Cool on YouTube. I told you I'm doing one full-blown, full-ass, full YouTube stream. Why does this not say 6 yet? I expected literally millions. Okay, it says 6. I expected millions of subs, okay? The fact that I don't have approximately 1 billion new subscribers hurts my feelings emotionally, okay? Okay? Twitch can D's. I hear the music. You shouldn't hear no music. Music is off, you goof. Don't even try that. Don't even try that. Thank you for all the likes on the videos, though. I know you're supposed to say that. Apparently, it makes a huge difference in live coding if you get a bunch of likes. I don't know. I'm just hearing. I'm trying, because here's the deal. There's going to be no live coding on YouTube unless if you all don't do your part. You know what I mean? We have to build it together. You can't, I can't just build it. You just can't build it. We have to build it together. As opposed to hurting your feelings physically. Oh, you can hurt my feelings physically. You know how to do that, baby boy. Okay, you've seen it. What the hell's going on here? Okay, let's just OPAM install all this stuff. This all looks good. Oh, you got UTOP, OCaml format, Dune release, ODoc. I already have the LSP. We don't need to do that. Chin up. You're the greatest dev streamer of all time. You already know that. Okay, I know that. That's not my questions here. My question is if we want to make YouTube a place where it's actually possible to have good, amazing dev streams, which don't exist currently. Like if you go to, what is it? How do you even find live content on YouTube? Live content? I don't know. There's Vis and I. That's all I know. I honestly don't even know how to go to a live section. Nobody knows. It's hard. It's like literally impossible. There's a live button on the homepage. What the fudge? Okay. I will like to say though that when I go to youtube.com, as I am logged into clearly the Prime Timeogen, I'm very happy that it promotes me my own exclusive live stream. You know what I mean? Eddie from Steak says he has a deal from you on Kick. Oh, really? Eddie from Steak does? Prove it. Okay. Prove it. Slide my DMs, Eddie. Slide it. Slide in. Go ahead. Lube yourself up. Okay? Lube yourself up and prove it. All right. Do you want to continue? Absolutely. At live? That can't be real. That has to be like a YouTube account. No, it's not. No, it is. Yeah, this is like a YouTube account. Is this? I can't tell what the hell's happening here. What the hell is this? Nobody knows. It's a topic. I don't know what's going on there. I don't want to even think about it. Yeah, all you have to do is promote corrupto gambling. How much we talking first? Real talk. What are we talking, Steak? Okay, are we talking about a multi-million-dollar contract? Still hates us. He just wants to show us he could live stream on YouTube and then go back. Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. Thank you for the euros. Absolutely. When I'm done here. Rug pull time. YouTube is so confusing. Firefox? Yeah, I'm Firefoxing. $5 a month! Thank you very much for the $5 a month. 100 million non-exclusive. Minimum. HTMX is written by a Montana State University professor. I know. Me and him have been chatting in the DMs. I want you to know that right now. OCaml takes so long to install. Are the installers written in JavaScript? Maybe. Please make a game. Dude, I don't want to... Dude, okay. See, so this is another thing about YouTube that really just... You guys need to understand. So, Jamil, I want you just to imagine we're having a conversation in real life. Okay? And there's like 2,300 people hanging around. And then you ask a question, but there's a lot of people. Do you just keep asking the question over and over again? Do you try to start a chant by yourself? Or do you go, oh, they're not really on topic. Okay, like look at him. He's talking to somebody. Maybe I should just keep yelling right here over and over again. This is the problem with YouTube chat is you guys don't know about live chat etiquette yet. Which live chat etiquette is you don't just keep spamming the same thing over and over again. Right? Trust me, I read it the first time. I'm so disinterested in it, I don't even want to answer the question. Okay? I do read your chat. Please make a game. Oh my goodness. Chelstastic. Oh, hey, you want to be a mod? I'm going to make you a mod. I don't know what to mean. The only blocked word I expect. Should I do this? Should I do this? Should I do this? Chelstastic, the only blocked word I expect, of course, is Tari. Hey, you want to look at Tari? Hey, what's your thoughts on Tori? Twari. What's Twari? Wait, so I shouldn't spam $5 a month? You can spam that. All right, are we done? We're done. Okay, cool. Let's see. Quick setup with user install to support Merlin. Okay, here we go. All right, note that these are tools installed. Okay, OCaml tools on Windows. Nobody cares. One-step installation on all this. Okay. Install. I think we have everything. Sudo apt build essentials. I don't know if I have bubble wrap. I don't think I have bubble wrap. I don't know what bubble wrap is. The name is the Prime Spam. $5 a month. Choosing mods. It's at its finest. Yeah. Yeah. Chelstastic. Absolutely. Hands down. We'll do it. Sudo apt install bubble wrap. Computer. Let's go like that. Okay. Let's see. Do I already have it? I already have it. Well, look at that. Well, look at that. I already have it. I guess I had bubble wrap. Personally, I prefer saran wrap. Okay, we do one of these. Let's see. You can download it. Okay, I don't think I need that. OCaml platform. I don't think I need that. Okay, first steps with OCaml. Using the UTOP REPL to run OCaml code. Okay, UTOP is an extended and improved top-level REPL for OCaml. Unlike the standard top level with OCaml command, UTOP features history, tab completion, interactive line editing, and the ability to load any package installed in your switch. Nice, thank you for those two. I don't know what R2s are. R2 D2s. Give me the D, baby. Nice to see you trying YouTube. Always catch your stuff late and don't spend much time on Twitch. So thanks for coming here. I got to try it, I got to try it here and there. You know what I mean? All right, if you have never used top-level REPL before, think of it as an interactive terminal shell. Yes, we have. OCaml comes with 2 additional compilers. One compiles to native code, sometimes called machine code or executable, directly read by the SPU, and the other compiles to bytecode, creating an executable that can be interpreted by a variety of runtime environments, making it more flexible. Very interesting. As someone with ADHD, I heard you mentioning time locking and in a video and being a creature of momentum. I really feel that and relate. But how do you get momentum? Going to stick in your time blocks. I'm not sure. I think I understand. What I really try to do is I try to do one activity at a time. You know what I mean? A lot of people, what they do, and I find I've been doing this more lately, and I got to break the habit again. Like, you start compiling code, so you go to Twitter. Right? Stupid. Don't do that. Don't go to Twitter. You know what I mean? If you're building, go back to your code. Think about where you might want to put more things in. What you want to do. Like, just stay locked in. Don't unlock yourself, right? And I try to do that. So that's what I'm trying to do, is I'm trying to always avoid, like, breaks. You know what I mean? All right, so UTOP. Okay, so I can go UTOP. So I obviously don't have UTOP. Where is UTOP? Which UTOP? Obviously, I did not get UTOP. I thought I know for a fact I definitely installed UTOP, right? I installed it right there. Okay, so OPAM. So I must have a pathing problem. Install UTOP. I'll just do it once more, right? Okay, so I have a pathing problem. So where did I miss this pathing problem? Find local type executable. I never know how to do the one with I don't know how to do the name on it. I think it's name. Is it dash name UTOP? You forgot to do eval opam env. Oh, eval opam env. #r UTOP. Nice. That was cool. That was super cool. That is super cool. Look, this is actually a pretty nice looking REPL. Again, I am shocked at how intense OCaml is. You know what I mean? Like, I'm genuinely surprised at how in depth it already is. Right? UTOP, me bottom. All right. UTOP, 1 + 2 + 3. 1 + 2 × 3. Int 7. Nice. Why? What does 1 semicolon do? Why 2 semicolons? Why 2 semicolons in a row? Okay. Why 2 semicolons in a row? Okay, anyways, I'm just learning. Rust is the way to go. REPL has the language-aware autocomplete. Yeah, it's super cool. You can exit UTOP by running the built-in exit command. Exit. 0. Exit 0. Double semicolon. Damn it. Double semicolon gets me every time for lists. Why not divide by 0? We could do that. Configuring your editor. Okay. While the top level is great for interactively trying out the language, we'll shortly need to write OCaml files. Yeah. Okay, so I think I already have this all. I think I'm ready to rock. I don't think I have to worry about that. So I haven't done user setup install. We won't use the LSP server, but rather directly talk to Merlin. When we install Merlin above, the instruction printed out. Okay. So I should probably do this. Is this important? I don't know what that does. Turbo fish on my keyboard. Double semicolon outputs enter. That's going to mess me up. Why would you output enter on double semicolon? All right. var was deprecated in version. Oh, okay. Okay. Interesting. Ooh. Why is that in vimrc land? Why are you doing stuff in vimrc land? I don't want to do anything in vimrc land. Interesting. So this would be something that I may need to play around with at some point because I don't use any of this stuff. There's T-Pope sensible defaults and then OPAM stuff. Interesting. Yeah. Pinky too short. You don't need Merlin. Yeah. All right, starting a new project. Let's start a new project. Dune, a knit project, hello world. Okay. Let's go like this. Let's close this thing down. Let's back it out. Let's RMRF OCaml because we don't need it. And then let's go like this. Dune, a knit project, hello world. Why not? All right. All the metadata of your project is available in Dune project. Edit it to match your specific project. We can build our program with Dune build. Okay. Let's try that. Dune build. Dang it. It's OPAM. So I probably need to add this to something. Let's see. What is that? I normally don't like to put stuff in here. Generally, I'm not a huge fan of putting stuff in this one. The bash profile, what do I put it as? Oh, I put it as Zish. That's what we got. We got Zish profile, boys. All right. Let's see. OPAM. Let's see. There we go. Perfect. All right, got it. Zish, double semicolon needed, REPL. Yeah. Why only YouTube? I'm just trying it out. You know what I mean? I'm just trying it out. Also, thank you everybody for not liking the YouTube video. That really hurts me. It hurts me emotionally. I figured that you guys would be better than that, but apparently you're not. I've had a problem with distracting habits, but there are browser extensions that break these bad habits for you, really improve your productivity. Oh, stay focused? Okay. What does hash R do? Just reruns your hashing system. So that way, like, if you add a new something to your path, test, let's see, whoopsies. Touch, test, chamaud, test, add to path. There we go. So I added this to my path, which means I do have, oopsies, rf test, touch test, and then chamaud test. So I should have test right here, but if I try to execute test, okay, well, dang it. Okay, so maybe test is a bad name. rf test, let's go like this. Touch, foo, there we go, chamaud, foo. So now if I go foo, it works, but if I go, if I try to autocomplete foo, you'll notice that, oh, it works too. Oh, maybe you're supposed to hash R whenever your stuff changes. I'm surprised that it worked. I don't know. Maybe I'm doing something weird. Maybe I already have a foo. I don't know. Touch D's, yeah. Why are you touching foos? Because it feels good. All right, so anyway, so we can do a Dune exec. Okay, Dune exec. Right. Bin main. Okay, Dune exec. Bin main. Main exe. What the hell's main exe? What the hell's Dune? What the hell is any of this? What is an ML? Okay, so this obviously is Windows. Not really sure what all this crap is. Dune exec hello world. Dune exec hello world. Hello world. Okay, so that worked. Dune build. ls bin. Weird. I'm not really sure what to do there. Dune exec bin Dune. Can we do that? I'm not sure why I don't get hello world. ML equals machine learning. Is that what it is? Anyways. All right, hello world. Let's look at the contents of our new directory. Yep, we have all those things. Okay. Oh, we have a test directory. My bad. Let's go like this. rmrf hello world. Let's go in here. Take that. Let's destroy that thing. Let's go Dune. Init hello world. Hello world may or may not have accidentally done a crushing. There we go. Vim. Perfect. Let's go. All right, we're back to 0. We're back to 0. Okay, Dune obviously compiled super fast. Very happy about that. All right, let's see. Okay, so we got all these things. Dune. Let's see. The main executable generated inside the bin default subdirectory. Let's see. The source code for the program is found in this. Okay. Oh, Dune exec build. Well, I don't have bin in here. Oh, default bin main exe. Yeah, you're right. Look at that. Hello world. Okay, cool. Official documentation configuring OCaml format to format your code. Okay. Yeah. Echo version, OCaml version. Okay, I can do this. All right, perfect. The name is the meta language gen. I've never done this. Executables in Linux don't have to have a format name. I know. This will enforce that only the OCaml format version you have installed. Okay. Note that OLSE is needed, but an empty file is accepted. Okay. You can call Dune format. Nice. Okay, cool. ODoc does document generation. Okay, so this is a good getting started. So now, how do I learn the language? How do I learn OCaml? You know what I mean? Oh, man. You know what I mean? We got something. Hey. Okay, it's already not up to 100,000. Disappointed. I would expect at least 4,000 subs immediately. All right, so we're up and running with OCaml. Solve some exercises. Let's go. So typically I'd do something like Advent of Code, but since I'm not even familiar with the basic idea of the syntax, I feel like it's better not to start off with something like whatever you call this thing, Advent of Code. Like I need like something to just start me on anything, right? You know what I mean? So, are you scared to show this on Twitch? No. I'm just doing, no. Let's see. Don't you want to read some language manuals? That's why I'm going through it. Just do loops. Katas. Yeah, does anyone know why OCaml and not Haskell? Yeah, simple. I don't want to do Haskell. I want a program that's going to work and also has good tooling. I want a program that I'm not going to theoretically talk about my amazing program. I want a program that I don't just tweet about how I use the language. That's why everyone goes like this. Hask lol. Okay? That's why we called Hask lol around here. Okay? And I need you to understand that. Pick's sobbing. Oh, yeah. Pick's crying right now. But don't worry. He wants to ship code. I want to try it out. So it's either Elixir or it's OCaml. And I want to do OCaml because TJ's doing OCaml and he says it's awesome. Rust isn't it either? Yeah, well, everyone says that OCaml's the closest one to Rust, just without all the Rust and the foundation. And so that seems really amazing. You know what I mean? The Montanagen, the Monadagen. Yeah, so I would love to have Rust just without the foundation or the people on Twitter. You know what I mean? The Haskellologen. Yeah. Lisp is goat. Rust without the Rust. Yeah. Camel is more abstract than Rust. Yeah. It still has a garbage collector. It has a garbage collector. Yeah. How about performance? It has a garbage collector, and the new OCaml 5 is going to have lifetimes, so you can go hyper performance on something if you need to. You know what I mean? So I think that's really, really exciting. And I've never learned a functional programming. All right, last. This is kind of cool. Okay, so I guess I'm just going to go UTOP, right? So I'm going to call last on a list of hello, I guess semicolons are space delimiters, YouTube dgens, right? Why doesn't that work? Let's see, write a function last. Huh. First stream. I don't get why is that not a thing? What did I do wrong? Here. I'm going to explicitly paste this in. Oh, write a function last. Oh, I'm writing the function. Okay, so let's see, how to write function in OCaml. I'm writing the function. Okay, function tutorial, OCaml. Function, syntax, fun, n plus 1. Okay. Fun, applying a function to a value. Okay, so I should be able to go something like this. Fun. How do I name the function, though? Let f. Okay, so I got to go let last equals fun list. Can I do that? And then I got to do a little one of those. Okay, so we do let fun equals this. And so then what do I do here? How do I get the last element? Okay, access element of list OCaml. So I know nothing. Are inductively defined lists. A list is either empty or an element followed by LLM list. You can think of a list of, okay, so I feel like I've already been thrown in the deep end and I'm not exactly sure how to do this. So either there's pattern matching. Yeah, I wonder if ChatGPT is good at this. Let's see. Let's go 4. Give me the 4, baby. How to create a function in OCaml. Yeah, you need a fold. Okay. So I need to effectively recursively walk it. OCaml functions are creating use the let keyword followed by the function name and arguments. The general format goes like this. Let function name arg1 arg2 equals function here. Is that true? That seems incorrect. This seems already incorrect. Jippity. Yeah, sorry. Okay, so let's try this. Let's go last x. Why not? xy equals, I guess it does implicit body stuff, x plus y. Let's try this. Oh my goodness, I can't use Control W. You really gotta let that happen. 5, 6. Can I do that? 11. Okay, so we wrote a function. Sweet. Okay, we wrote a function. I see how functions work. Okay, so you do function, blah, 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 function body here. Okay, this is actually pretty straightforward. This will assign, yep, the addition. Note that OCaml supports creating higher order functions. Okay. Higher order functions that accept other functions as argument. Okay, that seems pretty easy. Okay, can you find a quick start with all these basics on the right? Yeah, there is also learn X and Y. Let's check out that one. Learn X and Y, OCaml. Let's see if they have one of those. Usually this is a really great site if you already have, okay. Fantastic. All right, so let's see. So when you're in the top level loop, OCaml will print an inferred type. Okay. Source files, OCaml path this command to print all the name. Okay. Oh, nice. You can do that. Let's see. It's a cool site. It's a super cool site. Here, let's go. All right. For a source file, you can use OCaml I path ML command to print all the names and type signatures. Very cool. Very, very cool. That's super cool. That is super cool. Okay, I like this, dude. I'm already feeling tools coming. I can already feel tools coming. Like, you could imagine that. Oh my goodness, I love where there's like just like great base tools. I wonder how that works with OPAM. All right, let's see. Note, the type of signatures of functions of multiple arguments are written in curried form. A function that takes multiple arguments can be represented as a composition of functions that take only one argument. Yeah. All right. All right, comments. Okay, comments are enclosed. Okay. Let's see, there are no single line comments. Variables and functions. Expressions can be separated by a double semicolon symbol. In many cases, it's redundant, but in this tutorial, we'll use it after every expression for easy pasting into the interpreter shell. Unnecessary use of the expression separators in source code files is often considered to be a bad style. Okay. Variables and function declarations use let keyword. Okay. OCaml allows single quote characters in identifiers. Single quote doesn't have a special meaning in this case. It's often used Okay. 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 It's like prime in math. Yeah, this is foo prime. Foo prime. Yeah, this is foo. This is foo prime. I think I'm misunderstanding this. Okay, so that's actually pretty neat. Well, I mean, the reason why it's neat is that I think double quotes is the only proper way to identify a string, and single quotes, if you just don't, how? I mean, I would prefer shadowing. I assume you can shadow, but I think I'd prefer shadowing. You know what I mean? Why not shadowing? Yeah, why not shadowing? Okay, so we're on the same. Tina, is that you, Tina Turner? We have the same. Same feeling. Yeah, you can shadow. It's fine. Okay. Since OCaml compiler infers the types automatically, you normally don't need to specify argument types explicitly. However, if you like, you can. Okay. Love it. I love. Okay, so people always ask me, Prime, why don't you love inference in TypeScript? Let it infer the type returning, right? And so that is a TypeScript thing. There's actually two really fantastic reasons. First off, you can get source code bloat. If you didn't know that, if you look at compiled code of return type stuff, when you see some of the definitions, the TypeScript definitions, the DTS files, it will actually put the return type in there, and it's extremely ugly and it's hard to follow. I don't like that. So for a usability DX side, I don't like it. But number two, another reason why I don't like it is that I don't mind inference of types. I do mind inference of type definitions. And those are very, very different. One goes, okay, you've given me X and you're returning Y. This thing returns Y. The other one says, oh, you've given me X and you are returning me these different grab bag of values. So here's your various grab bag of values. I'm going to create a new type on the fly, and this is your new type right here. I hate that because that is not the same as inference of types. That's creating an anonymous type definition for every single function. Yuck. Okay? I don't like that. I don't like it whatsoever. Okay? So there you go. We can do more, but we'll keep it there, okay? How many numeric types are there? I have no idea. OCaml interface files, headers, make it more comfortable to use interfaces. Yeah, so I'm very excited about that. I'm very excited about that. So for those that don't understand what I mean, I think this would actually be a kind of a cool topic for me to kind of talk about, but no one likes technical YouTube videos anymore. TypeScript, I think this should be good enough, right? Let's see, makedir, actually cd vim. What can I do here? Index. Okay, let's go like this. Function foo. Right? So check this out. This is what I mean by that. Okay, so we have that. Let's go TSC. Can I do TSC in here? All right. Now we should be able to go vim source. So I can go index.js. Do I have a tsconfig? Vim tsconfig. We got to go emit declarations, right? There we go. There we go. Boom, one of those things. And tsc's, tscd's nuts. Vim source index.js. Oopsies, not JS. We don't want JS. We want the DTS. ¿Por qué, Maria? ¿Por qué, Maria? All right. Export. I forgot to export it. There we go. There we go. Let's just TSC that. So that's what I don't like. Look at that. Look at the definition now. Look at the definition. Tell me that doesn't suck. That sucks. That's not good. I don't like it. I don't like it one bit. I've never liked it. I'm not going to like it. I'm not going to like it tomorrow. I'm not going to like it some other time. Export. Oopsies. Export type foo out equals. Let's go like this. Let's go DTS. Yank that. And then go index.ts and paste this in right here. All right, and let's go TSC. Let's just see if it does. At least does it do... Like, in some sense, these are distinct types. They're distinct. Gosh. You know what I mean? Like, that's frustrating. Do you see what I mean? Like, that's why I don't like them. I don't like them at all. It's naughty. You know what I mean? It's not cool. All right, I gotta go pee. I'll be right back. Por qué, Maria? Thank you for the 500 R's. I blame ducks too. Nice. Hey, guess what? You know, you go to the bathroom for one moment, and 100 people leave chat. What kind of people? What kind of short, interested people are you? He's back. I just gotta go. $5 a month. Thank you, Preet. Does this tag work? It looks like it works. Oh man, cache those R's ASAP before they devalue. I don't know what R's are. When stream on Kick, I don't think I'm going to stream on Kick. You know what I mean? I don't think it's gonna happen. Bring your mic. We want to hear how healthy your stream is. You know how healthy my stream is, okay? You already know. Okay, how many times do I have to show you my stream? Okay, we've had how many one-on-ones now? How many times have I deeply stared in your eyes, gently placing my hand on the small of your back, and unflinchingly maintained a strong, impossibly solid stream? Oh yeah, you know. You know. All right. Okay, so this looks good. So we can do some typings. Let's see if you need to mark a recursive function definite. Write the word rec. Okay, get a little rectum on these ones. Okay, very cool. All right, factorial 5. Unless the argument is an expression. Okay, hey, I really appreciate to see you coming over to YouTube. Thank you. Hey, I appreciate that, Mike Brown. Yeah, I'm just trying. You know, we're just trying to make things good here. You know what I mean? HTMX, any pointers on this? So I haven't started my HTMX stuff yet. I'm still going through OCaml. I got to get good at OCaml. You know what I mean? I first got to get good at it. Function applications usually don't need parentheses. Okay, there we go. Unless there's arguments in the expression. Okay, awesome. Every function must have at least one argument. Since some functions naturally don't take any argument, there's the unit type. Okay, so that must be where Russ got it. Russ got the unit type. Let's see. Note that as an argument when calling it. There we go. Perfect. Calling a function with insufficient number of arguments does not cause an error. It produces a new function. Okay, so curring is built in at a language syntax level. Does that what it means? Why do you need to get good? Doesn't it come over time in coding? Yes, but you have to still get good. I prefer to get good as fast as possible. The thing is I have this whole thing that I have to do, which is I want to be able to be good enough to the point where I can fly fast and I don't have to think so much, because it really sucks thinking. You know what I mean? I hate smooth braining my code where I have to go look up, how do I write this? How do I write that? How do I do this? Oh, what's that for? I just hate having to take that step over and over and over again. And so what I do is when I really want to get into it, I start doing katas. I start practicing. I start getting good at the actual language. Gonna say it again for feedback, but I love the YouTube stream. The quality is so much better. It's super crisp. Well, thank you. It never looks better than on YouTube. I get that. But, I can't let you guys listen to the music I'm listening to. So, I'm pumped AF right now, right? I'm having a great time. The song we're playing is an absolute train wreck of a banger right now. Okay? And the problem is you guys can't hear it. Yeah, I like how the chat looks. I don't even have membership right now. I don't have anything. What's the song? Oh, can't even tell you. It's too good. Quality is better, though. Right? It is better. Yeah, the music's great on Twitch. That's one of the hard parts, missing the music, yeah. Honestly, enjoying the quietness, ugh. All right, you can use multiple expressions in a function body. The last expression becomes the return value of all others. Expression must be of the type unit type. Okay. I love the return explicit word, but whatever. I'll have to just get used to it. Since OCaml is a functional language, it lacks procedures. Every function must return something. So functions that do that do not really return anything are called solely for their side effects, like print endline, return value unit type. Okay. Definitions can be chained. Okay. let's see, definitions can be chained with let in construct. This is roughly the same as assigning the values to multiple variables before using them in an expression in imperative languages. All right, hold on. Does that mean I can? Okay, hold on, because they are also just defining them one at a time with the double sin, with the double quotes. I'm confused as to. So does that mean? Hold on. Let's go back here, and let's go utop. And so just a question. So I can go like this. Let foo equals 5. Let bar equals 6. Whoopsies. And then I can go foo plus bar, right? Okay, so I don't really understand. Okay, so is in a replacement for the double? Why? Two expressions versus one. I know, but what's the point? What does that mean? You know what I mean? The devil semicolon. Global versus local definitions. Okay. Expound upon this more. It's a scope thing. Okay. So what does it mean? Okay, I like this. Okay, this is the info I needed to hear. Lexical. What's the difference between the two lexical scopes? Does the lexical scope stop here? So if I go like this, and I go like that, what's X? Okay. I could like that. So I did make that sound in the startup, but I would like to be honest about it, that I am going through my anime arc right now. And so I'm just practicing various tones and expressions to really kind of feel it out, because the only one I feel like I've really nailed is the item shop seller in Zelda Breath of the Wild. See? Really believable, huh? All right. Yeah. Ayo! Got him. Pretty accurate. Yeah, I know. The first time I started playing it, my wife, my wife literally, like, if there was a door, she was like, what is going on over there? Because it was like, coming from the next room. And I'm like, hey, babe, this is not what it looks like, okay? This is not what's happening over here. My mom just checked my room. It's true. I had the same reaction. I was like, dude, it's real. Like, you go to Kakariko Village for the first time, you're like, oh, I could use some arrows. Well, okay, I just said, hey, I want some arrows. No, I just want some arrows. No, stop! Lady, can I give you rupees I found from chopping grass for your arrows? Hi, Mom. Let's see. What do you do with that information you generated? So Prime makes me thankful I'm wearing headphones. Yeah. Okay, so what's going on there? Just a porn site. Are you winning, son? Son, are you finally watching porn? No, I'm just watching Prime. Damn it, son. I'm disappointed in you. Let's see. Do you have any advice? I'm really stuck with the rider with Vim. Oh, no, I don't do C#. I don't do C#. I can't help you. He would do OCaml on an alt site. Yeah. Pipe down about a Haskell. It's OCaml time to shine. Yeah. So people are asking, what do you do with this? Notice what I can do. Watch this. I can go foo, right? Foo gives me out a value. I defined foo way up here. So it's about the scope of your variable. If you need to create a series of temporary variables, do some sort of operation, and that's what you want to do, boom, you can do that. Now, here's the real question. Can I do something that's a little bit more chaining? Can I do something like let, baz equals, let x equals 45 in, let y equals 24 in x plus y. Can I do that? And then I can go baz.